What's up YouTube, and today we're going to learn how to count from 1 to 20 in Kiswahili. So you're going to see it's very easy actually to count in Kiswahili as long as you can count from 1 to 10. After that, it's a very straightforward process because all you're going to do is just to combine what you already know. So let's start. Moja, mbili, tatu, nne, tano, sita, saba, nane, tisa, kumi. All right, so now we know how to count from 1 to 10. And to go forward, you just have to combine what you know already. So let's say you want to say 11. 11 is a combination of 10 and 1. So you say Kumi na Moja, where the word na stands for and. So saying Kumi na Moja is like saying 10 and 1. The same for 12. It is Kumi na mbili. So it's 10, which is Kumi, na and mbili, which is 2. So Kumi na mbili is 10 and 2. The same for 13 is Kumi na tatu, 10 and 3. All right, so let's continue. 14 is Kumi na nne, Kumi na tano, Kumi na sita, Kumi na saba, Kumi na nane, Kumi na tisa. Then 20 is ishirini. You could continue counting. 21, you know, it will be 20 and 1, so it's ishirini na. But for today, we're going to stop at 20. Counting onward is going to be a lesson for another day. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you in the next video.